AI without guardrails. This is what could go wrong. What are AI guardrails? Can AI be trusted without them? So are we safe from AI? What do we need to know? Welcome back to AmericaTech. In this final episode of AI Fundamentals, we're talking about one of the most important and often overlooked parts of AI guardrails. AI is getting smarter, faster, and more powerful. But that raises a big question. Can AI really be trusted without strong guardrails? Today we'll explain what AI guardrails are, how they work, why they matter, and at the end of this video we'll share our perspective on AI safety and trust. Let's break it down. AI guardrails are safety rules that control how AI behaves. They make sure AI follows ethical guidelines, avoids harmful actions, stays on topic, uses verified information, protects user privacy, follows legal and compliance standards. Think of guardrails as boundaries that guide AI behavior. When you drive on a highway, guardrails don't stop you from moving forward. They stop you from crashing. AI guardrails work the same way. They allow AI to operate freely, but safely. AI systems are powerful. Without guardrails, they could generate harmful or misleading content, expose private or sensitive data, provide dangerous instructions, spread misinformation, behave unpredictably. Guardrails exist to prevent these risks, especially as AI becomes more integrated into business and society. AI guardrails generally fall into 5 major categories. Safety guardrails prevent harmful or dangerous outputs. Privacy guardrails protect sensitive and confidential information. Accuracy guardrails reduce hallucinations by validating responses using trusted sources. Ethical guardrails help ensure fairness, neutrality, and bias control. And usage guardrails define what AI systems are allowed to access, execute, or automate. So how do these guardrails actually work? First, the AI filters the prompt to detect intent, risk, or restricted topics. Next, it evaluates the level of risk using safety models and scoring systems. Finally, based on that evaluation, the AI responds in a controlled way, either answering normally, providing a safer alternative, limiting the response, or refusing when necessary. These examples show how guardrails guide AI to respond responsibly. Instead of giving unsafe or restricted answers, AI is redirected to protect users while still being helpful whenever possible. Legal instructions are automatically refused to ensure safety and compliance. Medical topics are handled with general informational guidance, not professional diagnosis or treatment. Political subjects are presented with a neutral and balanced approach. Requests involving personal or sensitive data are strictly blocked to protect privacy. This is guardrails working behind the scenes. So can AI be trusted without guardrails? At AmericaTech, our answer is clear. No powerful AI system should operate without strong guardrails. Guardrails aren't a limitation. They're a trust layer. They protect users, businesses, data, compliance requirements, and society as a whole. As AI continues to grow, guardrails will be just as important as the AI models themselves. Safe AI is not optional, it's essential. And that brings us to the end of this episode and the entire AI Fundamentals series. You now understand how AI works, what AI agents are, and how guardrails keep AI safe, ethical, and trustworthy. If you found this series helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone learning about AI. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tech insights from AmericaTech.